Ooh, she old school. Backstabbed. Old school. She cracked. All right, let's grab that. Press in, slide 2 minutes. Okay. Jesus. Where's the other side? Somebody else might backstab. Alright, so new one. So we got power, ground, and then we got our neutral, and there's shared neutral. So we're gonna leave that little tab right there on this side, but on this side, we're gonna break that off. Let's see, there's my little steps here. There we go, pulled that right off. There we go, now they're separated. There we go. Comes back a little bit, let's see. Oop. Shit. A little more room to wiggle with here. So, go. This side. Go back a little bit more. That's all in. Both sides. And go. Cover on. It looks good. Nothing touching. Just push that back in there a little bit. See that? It's kind of rubbed up. Just gonna turn that down. There we go. Put you back in. Okay, well, lights off, lights on. Okay. Alright, I'll put this guy right there. Alright, we're good. I'll turn this off. Still got power there. Ooh, she's not filming very good. Okay. I'm sure somebody noticed a little gap. Put a jumbo plate on, cover that up. Got a little gap up there. It's just a regular standard size plate. Missing a screw. Just gonna pull this guy off. This guy's gonna pop right off for us here. Ooh, one hand. Oh yeah, we get our jumbo. So, just enough room. Just over here. Okay, okay. Let's put the slots here. Okay, I think we're gonna feel like it. All right, there we go. No more gap up top. Much better. Well, it's fixed.